Good. Share your trouble. Good morning, my babies. I don't know if I'm a girl make a scarf in the building. Yo! What a them. And welcome to another little chit chat series here on the channel. You know, I love to share my inspirations. Yeah, so I wanted to talk about this morning. You know, just being grateful for your family members, especially when you have good family members. I know that a lot of persons are so unscrupulous family members, but me a family member will gas me up. So like when I'm leaving in the morning for work and I go up the hill, then I gas me up, like especially my grandmother. Yeah, Malika, you're sexy, you look good today, and stuff like that. I say, Mama, I can't manage it, you know? Yeah, so she always be gassing me up. So be grateful for your family member, them. When I just see Vanny out, so you run gone in. Oh, morning. Andre! I'll go on my boss.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay, Miss Allen.
Later. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so Vanny, please. Yeah, so it's very important to, like, you know, be grateful for good family members or good people around you overall, or gas you up and already make you feel good in yourself. Like, it's just so appreciated that you get that at home, so you're not really a go to road for looky nowhere else. You understand? So yeah, that's what I really wanted to share this morning, that having great family members is a good thing and you must appreciate them and, you know, treat them accordingly and be things. So yeah, dang, I look cute today.